what in the world does putting my shoes far underneath my bed at nighttime have to do with my Amazon business? For me, when I put my shoes far enough underneath my bed at nighttime, it means in the morning, in order for me to get them, I have to get down on my knees to reach under the bed. And when I'm on my knees, that's a time for me that I begin to think about, meditate about, pray about the dreams that I have for my life, for my family, and yes, even for my Amazon business. And so I ask you, what are your dreams for your Amazon business? I know for me, one of my dreams is to be able to automate my business so that I can basically work myself out of a job. Some of my heroes are guys like Greg Mercer, who sells $400,000 a month, and he travels all around the world with his wife, all at the same time his Amazon account is churning out $400,000 a month. For me, those are very closely related to my dreams. What are your dreams for your business? Is it so that you can retire a little sooner? Is it so that you can have extra money to pay for vacations that you want to go on? Whatever they are, right? We all have different dreams. But the question is, are you and I taking action to reach those dreams? Do we have goals set in order to reach those dreams? Because if we just have dreams, right, but we don't have goals, that can actually lead to despair. Because you can keep dreaming, but if you and I aren't taking action on those dreams, they're not going to come about. And so, as you think about your Amazon business, right, I encourage you today to think about very specifically, what are the goals, what are the action plans that you have to take? What's the discipline, what's the consistency that you have to be about every day in order to reach those dreams that you have for your Amazon business? I share this all the time. I'm more excited than ever about the opportunities that you and I have to be able to make money online, and a lot of it has to do with Amazon. But I think it's still just the beginning. I still say I think that we're just in the infancy about what the opportunities are going to be available to you and I. And so, I just encourage you, right, as you think about what the dreams are for your family, what the dreams are for your business, take time, take time to pray about them, take time to meditate about them, because I think as you do that, you become more passionate and things even get a little clearer about the action plans that you need to take. So that, for me, is what putting my shoes deep under my bed have to do with my Amazon business. I hope you found it helpful.